Teach this boy. You can't teach this boy to whoop this
You
ass.
grew up off it. See, that's what
Can't
everybody
teach this with that boy to whoop
grew
this
up off of
ass.
that excitement.
All name
That's
is
what
Saul
made
Beckett for
boxing.
sure.
And we understand that to the fullest. And we can't wait to be them ones to bring it back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to be the one to say I covered it. I'm being real.
Does
Like,
Calvin ever get mad? He's always smiling. Tank.
Yeah, he get mad.
What does he say when he gets mad? Like, what's his quote?
I don't know. He be having
Do you say anything when you get mad, Coach?
I said, I don't like when he get hit. That's one thing.
What do you say?
I just say, yo, you getting hit too much. And then he'll say, my coach don't like you getting hit. Then he'll turn it up. I like the different moves that he goes through, you know, to express himself, you know. But again, y'all ain't seen the best of him yet. And I keep telling y'all, I keep saying that. Y'all listen to my interviews. I'm waiting for him to get that guy in front of him to bring the best out of him. Y'all see him, y'all can go like this. Yo, wow.
The coach have that confidence. The fight is definitely on its way.
Tell your coach. Just go ahead and musically. I got you. You're not. Who is going?
I'm not gonna say it, you gonna say it. I was protecting you. I didn't do no hard.